I created this channel to prove you that YouTube algorithm is not against small YouTubers. This was my old YouTube channel. Literally, I have uploaded a lot of videos there, but this was basically my old YouTube channel. I have reached monetization 1 year after and starting posting some videos here. I had around 10 to 15 videos with more than 10k views and one video with more than 65k views. It was not easy to reach the YouTube Partner Program. So if you think with 5 videos posted you'll get there, the chances of that happening are very low. I posted every single weekend a video for a year to reach this monetization goal. In case you don't know, to reach the YouTube Partner Program you have to have 1000 subscribers and get 4000 watch hours. For me, honestly, the worst part is to get the 4000 hours, because at the beginning it will be very hard to you to get some views, and that is the hardest part to get to YouTube Partner Program. If you have a viral video, it will be easier for you, but if you get consistent views in your videos, it will be a little bit harder. As I told you before, I did this for a year. Yes, you can do it faster, but this is just my experience, what I've been through during the year of, if I'm not wrong, 2020, 9 August until around here. Basically a year of making YouTube videos to be able to get monetized. So basically, and concluding this part, it took me around 55 to 60 videos to get this big goal I had. Honestly, if you made like 5 to 10 videos and you are thinking to quit, you have to do at least, you have to do the bare minimum. And for me, the bare minimum is at least 40 to 60 videos. After that, if you are really tired of trying to make your dream come true and you can't do it anymore, okay, quit. But before these 40 to 60 videos, you shouldn't. Because as you know, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. I will explain to you this after going to a friend's birthday and going to McDonald's in Australia. So join me.
Well, it's kind of crazy how good these transportations are here in Australia. So if you come here anytime, you'll be very surprised. But they are very expensive as well.
Here I am, and as you can see, basically I got this one. It's a big menu and I got it for $20. It's 12 euros. And honestly, when people told me about Australia, they always told me the lifestyle here was so much more expensive, and thank God it's not. So I got a full menu, as you can see. It's basically the same price in Portugal, so why not? And I really wanted some fries, so I'm pretty happy right now. Alright, we are back here. This video is getting very hard to make, so if you can just leave me a like and a sub, will be much appreciated. Talking about starting a new channel. Right now I'm filming with my GoPro 10 with their internal microphone. It's not the best, it's not the worst, but to start, it's more than enough. All the B-rolls and videos you are seeing in this video, it's taken with my GoPro and with my Google Pixel 8. Okay, so let me just start to say you don't need a big fancy camera to be successful on YouTube. Yes, you'll have an amazing quality in your videos, best cinematic footage, but honestly, this will work only if you are a professional editor or somebody that are very used to edit. I know some people doesn't want to hear this and they think they will buy just a very expensive camera and they will have the most successful channel in the world, but it's not the truth. As I just told you, I've done more than 60 videos before during this period of my journey on YouTube, and in these videos I have never color graded a video, I have never used a paid program, audio music or effects music, etc. It doesn't really matter. I have never used any of them to reach this monetization goal. Obviously, if you have a paid program or if you have a very good platform to use it, to non-copyright songs, to use some good effects and some other good stuff, will help you get a little bit faster to this monetization goal. But I just did what I had to do. I worked very hard, and in my specific case I just gave some tips and prices to give you the best experience traveling. I can give you some example with my most viral video. I did my most viral video with the Canon M50. It cost me around 400 euros in eBay in 2021. Another video I've done in Iceland, I did some good footage, like cinematic footage and stuff, and it got 1k views. I think it was 1.5k views, so 1,500 views, and I was filming with a big lens, with my Canon R5 and a lot of good stuff. But as you can see, cameras doesn't mean good videos. To be very clear, this was my setup during that time. I bought the Canon M50 for 400 euros. I bought 2 tripods for around 50 euros maximum. Everything bought in Amazon. I had the cheapest Rode microphone I could ever find. I think it was the Rode Micro Go. And I bought a lookalike GoPro for around 40 euros. So basically, when you get famous, you can upgrade your setup. Don't worry. You just have to start. And honestly, my biggest recommendation to buy right now, if you want a small setup, something that is not very expensive and is less than 1,000 euros, you should buy the one I have it right now. Right now it's getting fixed because it had some internal issue, but if you want to buy something, you should buy for sure the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This combo is less than 700 euros and you'll get a tripod, you'll get the DJI Mic 2, it's an unbelievable microphone, a very good gimbal camera, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 4K, and with the slow motion, everything you can get it and everything you needed, you don't need it more than this, for less than 700 euros. I don't know how hard will be this time to get monetized. If it's 1 month, if it's 1 week, if it's 1 year, if it's 10 years, I'm not too sure. But one thing I know, I will work very hard again to make the best videos here in Australia. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.